I'm so sorry, but I'm so sorry I'm at the store. We're eating here. I'm so excited. I'm petting around the cat. Hi, little kitty. Thanks so much. Bye. See you later. Bye. Thumbs up and below on and down.
You ever be in a good mood for no reason? I don't know, that's what I'm in right now. You know, I'm in a great mood. I had a great day. And I'm not going to let anything get in the way of that. You know, once you wake up and start counting your blessings, you know, thinking about things that you're grateful for, even jot them down. You got some goals, jot it down. You might not accomplish those goals today, maybe not tomorrow or the next day, but one day it's going to happen for you. You know, you just got to have faith and everything else works out on its own. So right now I'm just waiting for my refund for the lens that you guys seen in the last vlog. I sent the lens back, got the wrong lens for my camera. It's been over a week now. eBay is saying that my refund will take 10 days to get here, which is like completely unreal because it only takes like 2 seconds for them to take it from my account. But it is what it is. To be quite honest, when I get my money, I'm not even going online and doing it. Just gonna hop in the car and go straight to New York to B&H photo and video and just get it myself. I'm not gonna even wait. If anybody's looking for videos or photos, as I always say, you know, find me, send me, you know, a text or give me a call. Don't think that I'm not willing to work for you. Man, it's gorgeous out right now. I swear it feels like autumn right now. This weather right here is what I live for. I love it. I couldn't ask for anything else right now. Guys, we're over here at Gillette Castle right now. Pretty neat place to visit if you're ever in the area.
Hi, I'm Mary Kylie.
What's your name?
Kylie Bisotto, and I'm gonna ride my bike. Come on. Everybody call me.
What?
Nobody's in there.
Knock on the door so the princess will come out.
Nobody's in there.
Good, you gotta knock louder.
Guys, can
You gotta knock louder so they come to the door. Do it. I'll wait right here for you. After we left Gillette's Castle, we stopped by to see the historic ferry in East Haddam, Connecticut. For only $5, you and your passengers can hop aboard and take a ride down the Connecticut River. It's funny because the first time I ever got on this ferry a few years back was a complete accident. I had no intentions on even riding. I didn't even know it existed, but with 3 other cars behind me, I had no other choice but to take the ride. And of course, I didn't regret it. Alright, we're crossing the river right now. Almost there. Man, today's been a blessed day. After this, we'll probably head on over to Captain Scott's in New London. get some seafood, and then from there, see how it goes. Okay, so this is my first time at Captain Scott's, and I love seafood. If you're ever looking for a seafood joint, surprisingly enough, I definitely recommend it. Dope place to eat, but a little on the pricey side. But I mean, who checks tags anyways, right? Right. Here, have lemonade.
It's really good, guys. So, see you next week. Bye-bye.
What up? Wanye Films, photo shoot time. Waiting for my client to show up right now. She's, a good 10-15 minutes late. She had to stop and get some pizza for the shoot. Wait a minute, hold up, wait. Oh, that ain't her, is it? Oh, it is her. She look different.
Hey.
Hey. Say hi.
Hi.
This is Rachel.
I'm looking for scissors. I gotta cut the ball off the top of the bat. Pizza.
Wait a minute, hold up, wait a minute. No.
What?
We can't use that bat.
Why?
Look, show the camera what kind of bat you got.
Listen, I went to the dollar store and this is what
Oh
they
my
had.
God, I gotta run to the store real quick. We can't use
Why?
That's like a wiffle ball bat.
I know. I was like,
If you want to use that, I guess we can use that.
my Instagram is PIZZAQU33N.
Play ball!
Oh, so I thought that we'd do a couple like baseball-y ones, just like, and then some with the pizza, me eating the pizza, maybe hitting the pizza.
Okay, you want to hit the pizza? All right, we can do that. All right. I'm gonna actually get you getting dirt all over you too after when you're done eating.
Huh?
Like when you're putting dirt all on you, you gotta put it like. I wish you had white pants on, because then you can get your hands all dirty.
You want some?
Nah. I'm trying to clear myself out.
Pizza.
Look here.
I'm just really happy. I think you would get dirt,
Get like dirty. Like,
you want this all on my face?
yes.
Okay. Okay. This is a lot of dirt. You want me to rub this on my face?
Yes.
Okay, hold on, let me. I did makeup for this. No, well, I did, but you want me to just like.
All right, guys, I'm gonna have Pizza Queen Rach here take us out. It's a wrap.
Yeah, that's a wrap. If you like this vlog, give it a thumbs up. You can follow me on my channel, Pizza Queen Rach. And if you're new to Wanye Films channel, subscribe, hit the bell notification so you can get notified when he posts a new vlog. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Peace out, guys.